So IoT solutions are creating real business value for companies, and the data and insights we're able to gain from them, they're kind of radically changing the product and service landscape. So 3 things to consider would be planning for the market, really know what you're building and who you're building it for, prototyping to get something out there early, and then making sure we build for scale. So it's important to plan for the market so that you know what you want, what you need, and importantly, what's going to work. You really want to be able to plan for the impact of IoT on your product or business. We want to make something early. We want to test it early by giving it to users so they can actually use it, see if there's any mistakes that we need to correct. So to build for scale, it's important to think about the future. Design and create something today that you can effectively iterate on tomorrow. So with an IoT solution in place, a company is going to see some operational efficiencies, really using that data to identify perhaps problem areas that need to be corrected. And ultimately, really, it's about the end user experience being improved.